guest, Will, because he is so smart and he has a lot of good things to share with us. But Will, I have to say I'm actually feeling kind of like stressed out today. That's why I kind of created this Zen setting around us, just so I could like calm my nerves a little, because I have this like one question that's like really bothering me.
You know I'm always here to help you out. What's up?
Okay, so it's getting kind of warm out. It's getting kind of hot, and I want to know if I can still plant. Can
Sure.
I can?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, you're telling me this time of the year in the heat, I can still plant an annual.
You can plant New Guinea impatiens or any annuals, no problem.
Really?
They'll do just
but
fine.
Will. What about vegetables? Can I actually plant vegetables this
You
time
can
of
plant
year?
your veggies. That's not a problem.
Veggie-
Get them out
okay.
there.
All right, you're talking about veggies, but Will, perennials. Like actually put a perennial in the ground?
Yes, in fact, it'll be much happier in the ground.
I
Stacey.
don't know if I believe you. Okay, Will, one of your favorites, roses. Come on, you're not gonna tell me we could put a rose in the ground in the
I am. It's hot.
What?
Roses love it hot. Get it in there. It's blooming.
Will,
It's gorgeous.
Okay, Will.
Come on.
Then we absolutely can't put shrubs or trees in the ground, can we?
Of course not. We can plant all of this, but not your shrubs.
Oh, okay, you guys. You heard it from Will.
Of course you can plant your shrubs. What do you?
Oh, okay.
You
Will.
plant everything. Everything will be great.
All right. So I don't know if I totally believe you. How are we going to have success in the summer heat planting all of these different plants?
Well, make sure you plant it with our success kit. That's why we called it that.
Okay, what is that? What is the success
So
kit?
success kit is our planting mix.
Okay.
It's a mixture of topsoil, peat moss, and compost. Everything your plant needs in the ground, and it's the jump start here or the root boost, whether you want to go organic or you want to go inorganic.
So those are our fertilizer root stimulants,
They
right?
are, and they
Okay.
work great, and I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Going back maybe 3 or 4 years ago, we planted 4 large Zelkova trees in the middle of our parking lot.
In the parking lot.
In the
with
parking lot.
pavement in the heat.
On both sides of a 3-foot wide bed.
Okay, you're
pavement.
making me more of a believer as I'm hearing this. Okay, what?
So we dug the hole out great. It was a 3-inch tree, huge root ball. So we dug these big holes, and we mixed in the planting mix. We hit them with Jumpstart, and we watered them 3 times a week, every week. You can refer to our watering guide on our website for more info on that,
All right.
fanwilges.com.
Fanwilges.com, yep.
And they were thriving. And every day for the next 3 weeks, Ryan Van Wilgen came in, and he looked at us and said, that one tree is off by 3 inches.
3 inches? You guys are fussy.
Yeah,
Okay.
3 inches. And every day for 3 weeks, he looked at it until one day he came in and said, guess what, guys? We're moving this tree.
You're moving it in the middle of summer.
In the
After
middle of
you
August.
Just planted it.
Just planted,
Okay.
wire basket removed,
Now I'm starting to believe.
dug it back up, and they had feeder roots, no joke, this long, all around the root ball.
Because of the jump start.
Because of the jump start,
Awesome.
because of the regular watering,
Mhm.
because we got good soil in the hole.
Mhm.
Tree was doing fantastic. We got it back in. They're still there today, and they still look great.
They do look beautiful. Okay, so now you have actually convinced me that I can plant all of these things in the summer. And you have a message for everybody else. Can they plant for sure?
Everybody can plant. Anybody can plant. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Even in the summer. Thanks
Yep.
a bunch. See you next time.